California is just a melting pot of everything. Having some of that Hispanic influence in California with Asian influence and, you know, Indian, and especially being on the coast of California, having a coastal cuisine, our food is a whole mix of flavors regionally. We're heavy on chili, we're heavy on garlic. You just want to make sure that it's just good food. It's definitely Texas inspired but California fired. That's what I always tell everybody. So this is where you get that nice barbecue cologne, just over here, just getting on everything. We're taking our barbecue meats and we're adding those into tacos. We're adding the barbecue flavors like coleslaw, different barbecue sauces and dressings, and kind of making something different that people aren't usually accustomed to getting. We take barbecue to a whole new level, and whatever we're smoking, we'll put it in a tortilla. I mean, it's the perfect vessel. You can take it around with you. We are a California craft style barbecue.
Cheers, boys.
I think as long as I can continue to produce good food, that's really it.